To highlight key performance indicators or KPIs in Adobe Analytics, use the visualization for the key metric summary. In the left navigation here with these icons, choose Visualizations and select Key Metric Summary down here and drag it into your project workspace. Configure the settings for your summary scorecard by selecting the options with these drop downs. For metric, we'll select Unique Visitors. We'll keep the primary date range and the comparison date range as is. And then for these segments, we'll select Visits from mobile devices. Click Build when you're ready. But you'll notice that it looks a bit different from the scorecards that I have up here. So you can further configure the settings by hovering over the metric scorecard and clicking on this gear icon for more settings. You can change the granularity to other time frames such as by the minute, hour, week, or month. By default, the scorecard emphasizes the percent change, but you can change that under the summary display type to emphasize the number value. And that enlarges the actual value for unique visitors. You can enable or disable scorecard features. I'll point out that annotations refer to those created by the admin. Hide title or convert to percentages. And in this case, converting to percentage isn't useful because it would just take this number and multiply it by 100 for the percent. Speaking of the title, you can click on the title and edit it. We'll call this Unique Visitors Mobile. We'll keep the trend lines. You can choose to display the max and the min on the trend line, but we're going to leave that off to keep it clean. Show percentage, comparison, and the trend line to compare past performance. And then you can choose how you want to display the value. You can also abbreviate the value, and that'll give you a field to indicate how many decimal places you want to display in your scorecard. So if you found this useful, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you want more content on digital analytics, we'll see you in the next episode.